Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today I decided to do this purple summer club look. I will leave, as always, all the products I used on my face in the description box below. I will leave the link for the wig down below. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to, hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. Let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
So first things first, we gotta put this hair up. I am putting it in this purple scrunchie. Ugh. Let's fix this face. Okay, Hourglass Veil Primer going in. I am going to just tap it into my face, and already, look, there's a difference. Now I'm going in with the YSL Blur Primer. It smells so good. I'm going to pounce that in with my beauty blender, and I think it's funny that I'm using a high-end primer and a drugstore foundation, Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation in 380 for shade reference. I'm bouncing it in with my Morphe M439 brush after I did apply it with the beauty blender, but I like the way the brush looks better. Than I'm putting on this Kat Von D Lock-It powder to lock everything in. Now we're going to work on these brows. This product is new from the drugstore. Thanks, Mom. I didn't like the way the brush applied. This is the Brow Last by Physicians Formula in medium brown. So I decided to use my own eyebrow brush. So it's perfect because it gives you that brow gel look, but it also tints the brows. It wasn't dark enough for the front of my brows where I have no brows, so I had to go in with the Salon Perfect later. But I am loving this brow gel. I am going to get the darker color, which I believe is dark brown, but it did a great job, and I will update you. I have heard great things about this. Now I'm going to clean up my brows with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer and this Real Techniques detail brush. Then I'm going to just bring that down and just blend it in, and then I'll use my finger to do the rest of the blending. It's going to make my brows look much more cleaned up, just like so. I just love the way that looks. Then I am going to go again with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, 16-Hour Concealer, y'all. This is in the color Light Peach. I'm going to paddle it in with my paddle brush, and then I am going to end up buffing it in with a little sponge. And yeah, I'm going to use it as eyeshadow primer as well. I'm going to bake with my Kat Von D Lock-It powder under my eyes as well as under my contour line. I missed a lot of footage. I ended up using the L'Oreal bronzer, but I lost it in the footage, and Too Faced Perfect Peach Blush. Anyways, I'm going into the Galaxy palette with that first shade. I will leave the shade names down below. In my crease with a Morphe M433 brush. I am up close now doing that just so you guys can see how well this blends for BH Cosmetics. I love it. Then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild blending brush just to make sure everything looks smooth and no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with this next deeper steel color and putting in my outer V and then bringing it into the crease. We are cutting our crease, so don't worry if you don't do it perfect. Just bring it back and forth. And yeah, I do an up-close version so you guys can see what I'm doing. Don't worry about the shade names. I will leave them down below as I keep reiterating. Then I'm going to take that 16-Hour e.l.f. concealer and cut my crease on one side. I'll do the other side off camera so you guys don't have to be bored. Then I look up so that way I know that I am doing my entire lid. There we go. Don't worry about the lines. We'll fix them later. It's all good. Do the best you can. Then I'm going in with this purple color from the palette just to set the concealer because I am going in with the Fenty Galaxy palette. After I'm done doing this, I'm going to add a little bit of that cobalt blue from the Galaxy palette. Again, the BH Cosmetics palette, just to get that outer V with that blue tone. You'll see why later because of the wig that I'm wearing. Now I'm going into the Fenty palette, and I'm putting that cobalt blue in my inner corner and bringing it all the way in to my crease and my outer V. I freaking love this palette. It is so old school. Well, you know, whatever. But you have to get this palette. It's just so beautiful. I usually don't put shimmers in my crease, but for the look that I'm going for today, it's necessary. You will see why. Well, if you saw the introduction, you know why. It just looks absolutely phenomenal. So now I'm going to blend it with just a blending brush, clean blending brush, just so that there's no lines and everything looks seamless. Just like so. And then I'm going to wipe off that bake with my Morphe brush. I'll leave the name of the brush down below. So now I'm going in this Wet n Wild liquid liner, but I needed this Too Faced brush because I like the applicator on it better because I'm going to wing out my line, but I wanted a little glitter. I will put the names of the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid eyeshadow down below, but I use it as a wing liner and it made the perfect look. Now I'm going to spray, take some selfies, and it's time to jam out while we wait for our setting spray to dry because we are adding highlighter, and this is a goodie. It's Wysteria by Kylie Jenner. Ooh, girl, it is perfect. I'm not even going to tap off the excess because it's just stunning. Look at that glow. Oh my goodness, I love it. Outside, it's even prettier. Now I'm going in my inner corner with it and my brow bone as well. Again, Kylie Jenner Wysteria Loose Highlighter. Love it. Absolutely obsessed. Now I'm going back in the Galaxy palette. I am putting that steel gray and cobalt color on the lower lash line to make my eyes pop. I'm going with this Hourglass Caution Mascara in the color black. And yeah, I'm going to go up close so you guys can see how well this mascara works. Feel free to add falsies. It's just a beautiful mascara. Now, this is my favorite part. This glitter flip by Ciaté London. Holy mackerel, I love it. And the rest, I'm going to talk and let you guys know what's going on. It's just easy application. It's a beautiful color, and it has glitter. Like, what more could you want? Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. Do want to tell you right off the bat that we're going to work on this lip. All you have to do, because it's Ciaté London glitter flip, is you are going to wait till it dries, and then you are going to, and the more you press, the more glitter comes out. I just want to tell you guys that I got this wig a while back. This is the first time that I'm actually putting it on. This is right out of the bag. This beautiful ombre purple and blue wig. That's why I went with this whole eye look today. And I am telling you, the most comfortable wigs I have ever put on. I did not have to do anything but cut the lace. The part line is beautiful. It fits like a glove. It's so full. The company is called Fabingo. I will put the QR code right there. It might need a little baby powder, but look at the fullness of this. Look at the color of this. Look, this is definitely like a club vibe, but I just wanted to let you know that this is just the softest, most beautiful curls I have ever seen in a wig, ever. With that being said, I just want to let you guys know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you already are subscribed, you know I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do you guys see this look? I love you guys so, so, so